Tingnan natin. All right, so let's resume now our discussion. So this will only take 3 to 5 minutes. So the last topic will be the input box function. So this will display a message and returns a string containing the contents of the input box. So for example, a string variable. Okay, so you have to declare a variable as a string. Okay, and then we have now here the function input box, and then yung mga properties niya. Of course, the first one is the message, and then the title, and then the default value. So wala na sa hulihan yung title natin. So nasa pangalawa na siya. So ibang syntax na to. Okay? So message, same pa rin. Text message should be displayed. And then title will be the text in the bar of the input box. So same pa rin sa title natin pero nasa pangalawa na siya. And then the default value is optional as a string. Okay? So para makita nyo kung ano ba tong mga properties na to, we have here an example. So we have a variable name, input box, the message, and then the title. Okay? The message, and then the title. And then by default, we already have an option which is okay or cancel. Okay? And then by default then, meron na rin tayong text box dito. Okay, so yung nilagay lang natin is the message, which is input name, and then the title. Okay, so kung papansin nyo, wala pa yung default value. Kasi yung default value will be on the example number 2. So same pa rin, string name, just another variable name, and then input box, which is, eto na yun, yung buong input box. And then input name, which is the message, data entry, which is the title. And then, lastly, is the default value. So from the word itself, default value, it will be displayed right away to your text box, which contains the word Juan de la Cruz. Okay, so default value lang yan na wherein initially, yan yung ipapakita niya. Okay? Na value ng input box mo, which is Juan de la Cruz. Okay? So, pangatlo, same pa rin. Ganun na ganun pa rin. Iba lang yung variable name. And then yung message, yung title, and then yung default value. Okay? So, yun na yun actually. That's it for the input box. And then, for this one, this is just a knowledge check wherein yun. Supposedly, papagawa ko sa inyo as assignment. Pero kulang na tayo sa oras. And then, alam ko namang hindi pa kayo tapos dun sa mga ibang pinapagawa ko. So, yun na, tama na yun muna. Okay? So, iiwanan ko na lang to kung gusto nyong gawin kung sakali as your practice assignment. So, 1 to 7 yan. Okay? So, you can message me anytime. Let's say, sir, question ko lang regarding with this one, blah, 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 blah. So, pwede nyo i-message anytime. So, para makapag-usap tayo kung ano ba yung concern mo. Okay? So, free naman ako anytime. Like, starting from 7:30 a.m. hanggang 12 a.m. or minsan 1 a.m. Igising ako sa mga ganong oras. Huwag lang madaling araw kasi tulog na ako ng mga 2 to 6, ganun, or 2 to 7. So, madalas dun lang, ganong oras lang yung tulog ko. Okay? So, hanggang 9 pala. 1 to 9. Okay, medyo madami-dami. Pero kung gusto nyo tapusin, okay lang din naman. Kasi, let's say, interesado na sa inyo yung programming. Actually, masaya. Okay, masaya mag-program, lalo na kapag tumatama. Pero pag puro error, mafu-frustrate ka talaga. Pero that's part of learning. Kasi lalo na kapag, let's say, nag-error yung code mo for the entire 3 hours or 4 hours. And then, pinalitan mo lang yung ganitong value and then wala nang error. Sarap sa pakiramdam. Kasi parang parang yung pagod mo ng 3 hours na palitan ng, success. Okay? Anyway, so civil naman yata kayo or ECE or sanitary. So, of course, hindi kayo magpo-programming. Ganda lang kung gusto nyo mag-ship. Alright, so that's it for the module 2. So next meeting will be on Monday. Monday. And then module 3 na tayo. Right, so any questions so far?
None, sir.
Wala po, sir.
How about you, Miss Jessica?
Okay na po, sir.
Alright, so kung wala ng question, so hanggang doon na lang. So next meeting na lang ulit tayo. So see you on Monday. Alright, so bye-bye.
Bye, sir.
Bye,
Thank
sir.
you.
Bye and thank you, sir.
Bye-bye.